Okay, I just unboxed 5 Ben Hogan clubs. I got the GS53 Max driver, the GS53 3-wood and 5-wood, and then the VKTR Plus 4 hybrid and 5 hybrid. They came with some pretty nice looking head covers. They're probably going to deteriorate after a year or two, like most head covers do. The driver, it's got the Ben Hogan Sunburst there. It's got a little bit of a carbon fiber look in the middle of the club face. It's kind of interesting. It's underneath the top of the club there. It's not directly on top. It looks pretty cool. I wish they had the sunburst on the bottom like they do on the regular GS53 driver. That would have been cool, but it's all right. They don't have it. They do have that sunburst on the bottom of the 3-wood and 5-wood, but there's no mark at the center of club face on the top. These are much narrower. They are not as wide from heel to toe as my current woods. So they are a small, from heel to toe, they are smaller than what I'm used to. So I'm interested to see how I transition to those. There's the 5-wood, it looks the same as the 3-wood. Nice looking theme, the black, the red, the gray, and silver. I like that color theme they got going. The 4 and the 5 hybrid. Got the loft on there. I like the colors again. These are a lot taller on the toe. My current hybrids look more like a Fairway wood. So again, interesting to see how I transition to this with the high toe. Not much difference between the 4 and the 5. And then the grips, this is my old PTX Pro grip that I got a couple years ago. I was hoping these would have the same grip. There's no cord in that, but it's got the Ben Hogan, the black, silver, and red. It's a Z5, but lambkin. But they didn't have that. They have this corded, or it's like, I don't know, maybe you call it a half cord. It's a lambkin UTX. So I'll probably get used to it, but not what I was hoping for. I got the ball marker. I was hoping they had the silver, but they only had the gold. You can mark a line on your ball with that. Pitch mark repair, and then you have the driver tool. Kind of standard. There you have it. That's the unboxing, and I'll update when after I go hit a few balls. All right.